What's going on, everybody? It's Mark with Simply Clean, and today I want to show you our auto injectors for our chemical system. We have been super happy with the Dema Aurora pumps. We've had Dema pumps in the past. We used an Atlas pump, but this is a simplified version and we love it. Once you get to this level, you don't want to be hand adding everything. So we've had auto injectors for a while, but again, this Dema Aurora pump makes things super simple. I'll go through some of the basic components of it. This is the pump stand. So these are the different chemicals that we currently have hooked up. We've got a couple of different detergents for different applications. We've got bleach, we've got unscented, which is our all free and clear, and we have Tide. So the pump stand here leads down to these pump bottles below. You can either have 5-gallon buckets, 15s, you can go as big as 55 gallons. What happens is when our people select a certain formula, when that formula calls the pump stand here in the pump system, it will start spinning these pumps. The nice thing about this Dema Aurora system is that you only need one pump stand and the multi-machine to run up to 5 different machines. In the past, you've had to have this system behind every one of the machines, which is expensive and also can have issues as far as leaks and things wearing out, just more wear and tear, more preventative maintenance. So this is definitely a much simpler option. The main thing I love about this Dema Aurora pump is this CMS right here. So this is the chemical measurement system. That has a flow meter in it, and what it does is uses the displacement of water and that chemical so we know exactly how much chemical is going into each machine. Over time, underneath these pumps are what are called squeeze tubes right here. The pump works by rotating, and when it does that, these squeeze tubes can wear out, and when they wear out, they may not pump as much. But again, with the beauty of the CMS system, even if those squeeze tubes wear out a little bit, we still know we're going to get exactly the right amount to each machine. So it's pretty simple. The machine calls for the chemical is then drawn up, whichever one it is, comes down into this manifold. It's displaced by water, again, through the CMS, so we know exactly how much, and then it goes into the multi-machine. From there, the multi-machine has valves in it, and it will dispense it to the right machine. So if machine number 4 calls for this type of detergent, let's say, it will pull it through, up through here, out through machine 4. If the chemical has some type of color to it, you can actually see it run. And the beauty of it all is at the end here is a flush pump. So that's what's hooked up to our water valve. So before and after every chemical is dispensed, it's flushed, which is fantastic. So there's never any remnants of an old chemical. So if you're looking for a pump system, if you're looking for an auto injection system, I would definitely take a look at the Dema Aurora pumps. They've even got a new system now where you don't need this huge multi-machine, which would save you even more money. It's a little bit smaller. It kind of looks about like the size of this because that's really what you need. I hope you guys learned something today. If you have, drop me a like. Have a great day.